Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies taste better. Begin by gathering good chocolate, unsalted butter, brown sugar, fine salt, and eggs. Preheat your oven and line a pan. Melt chocolate gently, then whisk with butter and sugars until glossy and smooth. Fold in eggs one at a time, avoid overmixing, and mix in a small sprinkle of salt to boost overall flavor and balance sweetness. To improve brownie texture, aim for slightly underbaked centers that stay fudgy instead of cake-like. Use melted butter rather than creamed butter to create denser, silkier crumb and richer mouthfeel. Gently fold in chocolate chunks or chopped bars so pockets of molten chocolate form while baking. Chill the batter briefly for cleaner slices, and let baked brownies rest before cutting to set their interior for perfect portioning and presentation. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe and consider sharing with a friend who loves baking. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings hands-free timers, step-by-step recipe prompts, and music to your kitchen so you can bake with ease and rhythm. It's compact, responsive, and perfect for cooking playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Boost brownie flavor with small additions that layer complexity without overpowering. Dissolve a teaspoon of instant espresso in warm water to amplify chocolate aroma and depth. Add real vanilla extract and a tablespoon of extra cocoa powder to round out flavor profiles. Mix in toasted nuts for textural contrast, and finish with a light sprinkle of flaky sea salt to highlight sweetness and create a sophisticated balance that keeps every bite interesting and memorable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.